While COPD affects everyone differently and at varying rates of progression, there are several common COPD symptoms. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is defined as difficulty breathing that does not directly relate to physical exertion. Shortness of breath may occur while exerting oneself or lying down. Often, a sense of anxiety with a feeling of chest tightness occurs with shortness of breath. Constant coughing. Constant coughing, or a smoker's cough, is an ongoing cough that produces excess mucus or phlegm. Yellow or green phlegm may indicate chronic bronchitis or pneumonia. Some non-smokers may develop the cough as well. Sleep apnea. Damage to the lungs associated with COPD may cause sleep apnea to develop. Sleep apnea is a condition in which the airways to the lungs are blocked, causing someone to repeatedly stop breathing during the sleep cycle. This sleep disorder leaves people feeling fatigued. Wheezing. A common COPD symptom, wheezing is associated with a whistling sound while breathing and occurs primarily with emphysema. COPD is the third leading cause of death in the United States. More than 12 million Americans reported having a COPD diagnosis. However, an additional 12 million may have the disease and not know it. The worldwide prevalence of COPD continues to grow among men and women alike. Ready to learn more? Feel free to contact our patient coordinators today.